I'm Clay Carlino, and this may be the worst idea I've ever had for a video. But it's Halloween, so we've got some serious Halloween issues to discuss. First of all, movies like Ghostbusters, Evil Dead 2, and many others have made slime an integral part of horror, and that means an integral part of Halloween. And slime has gotten to be very popular, as you can see on the internet with people making their own, and if you go down the toy aisle and you find kits like these that allow you to make your own slime. Now, this is Ooze Baff. See, they spell it B-A-F-F, so it's Baff. This is a bathtub slime that normally costs about $7 or $8 a pack, and you use it to fill up your bathtub with slime, and then you let your kids play in it, or you know, depending on what you want to do, maybe you play in it. I don't know. You do you. It's okay. So we're going to find out how well this stuff works and see if it's worth the $7 or $8 you normally pay. So it comes with instructions, which I already know what these say, and a pack of slime powder. That doesn't seem like much for $7 or $8, but let's find out. So if you look in here, it'll tell you that this is intended to be mixed with about 1 to 1.5 inches of water at the bottom of your tub. That's actually not a whole lot of water. I've got a basin here that's probably about half the area of a normal bathtub. So let's go ahead and put maybe 1 or 2 inches of water in this basin. Alright, so I think I have about a gallon of water in here. So let's go ahead and mix the slime powder. You're supposed to kind of sprinkle it in so that it doesn't clump. But I've equipped my drill with the most dangerous accessory ever. This is where having the second beater would come in really handy, because it's really not doing a very good job of breaking up these clumps. I guess I should have paid more attention to the instructions when it said not to just dump the packet in. Yeah, if you're using this stuff, sprinkle it in. Don't just dump, because you will get clumps. Ah. I'm channeling Peter Venkman right now. Gah! Gah! We have slime here. Yeah, it's very runny, but it is slimy. It's more slimy than slime. That's disgusting. It's not really a bathtub full of slime. I mean, I guess if you were a little kid and you're sitting in a puddle of this stuff, it's still pretty gooey, but I don't know. I don't feel like that's $7 or $8 worth of slime. Fortunately, however, this slime was on clearance. I've got more. So, I think that we need to make more. A lot more. Alright, that's about 4 gallons of water. So, let's see what happens if we use, say, 8 packs of slime. Let's just look at what the consistency is with 4 gallons of water and 3 packs of bath slime. Yeah, it's very, very runny. This isn't so much slime as it is a really mean practical joke. Or a really funny practical joke. Just saying. Now this does take a few minutes to set up. Let's give it about 10 minutes. At this point, I've got 4 gallons of water to 8 packs of tub slime, and it's really slimy. I was just looking at the package for this bath slime, and on the back, it shows this kid sitting in a kiddie pool filled with thick slime that's just hanging off of him like, sort of this consistency where it's dark green and hangy. Now, this is mixed at a ratio of about 1 pack per half gallon. And that kiddie pool is probably about 150 gallons, which means that in order to duplicate this scene on the back of the package, you would need about $2,400 worth of bath slime. I feel like that's a little bit of false advertising there. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, and look at that. That is slime. That is definitively slime. Once you get it on you, it doesn't come off. So that's how you get your proper consistency from your Ooze Baff. And now I've got a big tub full of slime, which leads to our next Halloween discussion. Bobbing for apples. As long as I can remember, a Halloween tradition was bobbing for apples. You fill a tub like this with water, and you put apples in it, and then you have a bunch of grungy little kids with face makeup and candy all over their faces, put their faces into the same bucket of water, and try to pull out an apple, and then eat it. I don't know how this became a thing, but nonetheless, it is a thing, so I want to find out, can you bob for apples in slime? Ugh. All right, Internet. This is for science.
I got the apple.
And now I have to eat the apple.
You know, it's not as bad as I thought. It's kind of salty. So, there you go.
I think that I've definitively proven that you absolutely can bob for apples in a tub full of slime. So, I have to ask the question, why is it always apples? I mean, why don't we bob for other things? Like, bobbing for potatoes.
I got it. I feel like it should have been cooked.
So, I feel like we're only scratching the surface. What other things could we bob for in slime? Oh, an artichoke. Ugh. I never did like eating my vegetables. Oh, of course. Cabbage.
That still counts.
A coconut? Really?
There we go. Ha ha ha! Yeah! I got a coconut! Yeah, I can't eat the coconut.
You know, I feel like we're still not pushing our imaginations. What else do we got? Ooh, Twinkies.
Yeah. Oh. Actually, that's good.
Yeah, bobbing for Twinkies. That's a winner. Next. Ramen? Where's the flavor packet? Oh, thank you. What else we got? Oh, a blueberry muffin. Okay.
Delicious. I don't think I should finish this.
I guess that's everything. Oh, a hot dog with ketchup.
One.
Okay. I can't find the hot dog. I'm sorry, I can't find the hot dog. Okay, you know what? This experiment's over. You cannot bob for hot dogs in slime. There's the hot dog. You know you're wondering, is he gonna do it? Is he really gonna do it? Yeah. That's right. You saw it here first.
Ah, that's good.
So, there you go. Seeing what your actual ratio of slime per dollar value is on bath slime, and exploring exciting new possibilities for bobbing for things at Halloween. I guess the only question left is, what do you do with a giant, disgusting tub of slime that everybody's had their face in? And the answer to that is, I don't know. Well, this is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave and have fun. I don't even know how to start cleaning up after this. What do I do with this? Okay. That's cold. Thank you. Just want the internet to know that my ever-loving wife just threw a bottle of Ajax into my junk. That's show business.